2 years ago, we replaced an older air handling unit from the 90s here at this office property in Växjö, with the aim of reducing energy use and improving the indoor climate for our tenants. We then calculated how much energy we would save annually with the new unit. When reviewing the results, it turned out that the savings were greater than expected. This is because the new unit has speed-controlled fans, allowing us to optimize the airflow. The energy use for the ventilation was around 23,000 kilowatt-hours per year, resulting in savings of around 90,000 kilowatt-hours per year on ventilation.
Of the total savings of 90,000 kilowatt-hours, 80% comes from more efficient heat recovery, and 20% comes from the efficient speed-controlled fans. The total savings amount to 50 kilowatt-hours per square meter per year. In addition to the savings on ventilation, we see significant savings in cooling operations as the property owner replaced the external cooling unit with the integrated cooling unit EcoCooler from Produkt. Thanks to the new air handling unit, the building has saved more energy than anticipated. This is not only an economic gain for the property owner Emilshus, but also an important contribution to reducing climate impact.
We expected a good result, but the outcome was significantly better. This has also been evident in other projects where we have replaced older air handling units. It has not only reduced our costs, but also improved the indoor climate for our tenants.
This type of energy renovation shows the difference that the right measures can make. Replacing an older air handling unit is an investment with a short payback time, often 3 to 6 years, while at the same time increasing the property value. Replacing an older air handling unit will also improve the energy class of the building, and a higher energy rating can lead to lower interest rates from the bank. The most profitable sustainability investment is found in the plant room.